Hey guys, it's Jessica. I hope you're having a great week on this wonderful Tuesday. And this week's vlog is going to be about 5 ways to block out roommates when you are studying. Now, I don't live in a dorm room. I live at home with my dad, but he is technically my roommate, and I have a few things that I do to block him out when I'm studying because, he makes noise. And hopefully the things that I do can help you guys study or, take online quizzes or, whatever your schooling is like. Um, so the first one is to use earplugs. Um, I get mine from Walmart. I haven't used them in quite a while just because I haven't been able to get out there. But earplugs are really good. They just go in your ears and they like block everything out. Um, I'm not a huge fan of them because I don't really like sticking things in my ears, but they do really block out the noise super well. And if you're okay with that, I would really recommend it. Number two, kind of is along the same vein of that, is noise canceling headphones. I prefer using those when I can because they just stick over your ears like that and they muffle the noise. And I use those a lot when I'm reading chapters in my books or doing notes online, because they are made to block out noise and they do it really well. Um, Number three is listening to music. I know that's a little bit odd because the first two was about canceling out music, but for me personally, I like to have classical music or music that doesn't use a ton of singing. I normally love, songs where people sing, but classical music tends to drown out any noise and it helps me concentrate more. I don't know if it'll help you guys, but classical music for me is a really great thing to help me concentrate. Um, so if you're not a huge fan of classical music, you can do stuff like jazz or, even soft lyrical music. If it's not like something that draws my attention and it, blocks out noise, I tend to use it and it's no problem. Number four is a white noise machine. I have a radio that has a built-in white noise maker. I don't use it too often just because I am not very good at using technology and the radio is a bit iffy, so it sometimes works and it sometimes doesn't. But when it works, it's really, really good because white noise is white noise and it blocks out noise. I tend to use that when I am taking online tests, just because um, it helps me concentrate. I know that seems a bit odd because people use white noise to help people fall asleep, but for me, when I take online quizzes, it just really helps me stay motivated, I guess. Um, so if you want to get a white noise maker, I would recommend looking for one that's built into a radio. I'm not sure if mine is even still around because my dad bought it like 10 years ago. Yeah. But they are really good. They also help you sleep because that's the main reason they are made, I guess. But, that's a whole other thing. And then the fifth thing is to have a fan. I have a ceiling fan and I turn it on and it makes a low humming noise. And after a while, the fan kind of drowns out noises outside my room. So if I am really into studying, like for microbiology or something, I will either use my white noise maker or my fan. So I'll turn it on and it'll kind of make the whole world go away, and then I can focus on my studying for a little bit. And plus, a fan keeps your room cool, so it's a 2-in-1 little dealio. So, those are just some things that I do to help me study and take tests and, drown out noise. These may not work for you, but each person is different. We are all individuals, so we all have different ways of focusing when it comes to schooling. So if you guys have any recommendations, please write them down below in the comments and like the video if you liked it. Um, Please remember to subscribe to Flurt to see the other amazing vloggers, and I will see you all here next Tuesday. Bye!